Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick walkthrough on how you can use Dripify. So you can start by going to dripify.io and signing up for an account. And once you're inside, you will connect your LinkedIn account and then Dripify will guide you step by step. From the dashboard, you will click on Create Campaign and you will choose what you want to do, such as sending connection requests, follow-ups, or messages. You can set up a drip sequence with delays, custom messages, and actions. For example, you can connect with someone, wait 2 days, then send a follow-up message. After launching your campaign, Dripify will track stats like response rate and how many people accepted your request. Dripify works in the background, so you do not need to stay online. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.